I'm going to change your life in the next 2 minutes. If you're watching this, there's a part of you who knows that your life is not supposed to look like it is now. Something feels off about your life. You're doing all the right things, but it doesn't feel like your life. And here's why. Most people never actually choose their life. They built it on autopilot, based on what society told them success looks like, based on what their family expects, based on what feels safe, acceptable, and normal. And I'm guilty of this too. I always wanted a job at Google, but when I got it, I was miserable. And I realized this is not fulfilling to me. This is not my purpose. And I quit. And now I'm happier than ever being in my purpose. We get the job, we build the routine, we stay consistent, and then wake up one day feeling disconnected from our own life. And not because we did something wrong, but because we never stopped to ask, is this actually mine? Is this actually what I want in my soul? And let me know if you've had moments like this, where you can literally feel there's more for you, a different path, a different way of living, a version of you that feels more like you. But then your mind kicks in. What if it doesn't work? What will people think? What if I mess up? So you stay where you are, where your ego, your mind feels comfortable. Not because it feels so good, but because it feels familiar. And this is where your life either changes or stays the same. Because clarity alone is not enough. You can watch videos like this, feel inspired, feel motivated, and then go right back to your old patterns. And that's what most people do. They consume inspiration and they're stoked. Oh my gosh, I feel like a changed person. And then they go back to their old life, their old habits. But here's the truth. If you want a different life, you need to stop waiting to feel ready. You need to take action when it still feels messy. Before you have the full plan, before you feel confident, before it makes sense to everyone around you. I remember getting a phone call when I had quit my 9-to-5 job, and my dad was like, "Are you sure you want to do this?" In my generation, we would have felt blessed to have a stable job like that. They won't get you until after you've succeeded. Now, everybody around me like, how can I do this? This is amazing. You haven't had a job for 8 years, and we're slaving away in our jobs. I've traveled to over 60 countries. I have so much time for my hobbies, my spirituality. My life is so soul aligned. And when that happens, you're glowing and people want to know your secret. But most people don't get there because you can't get it from your old self. You really need to already act from the person that you want to become. What habits, what thinking would they do? And then act from there. Don't settle for a life that isn't yours. Don't stay in something just because it's what you've always known or because it keeps other people comfortable. You're the one who has to live your life every single day, not them. So if something is telling you this isn't it, listen to that inner voice. It's your soul. So I want you to literally put in your calendar this week one small step that you will take towards your dream life this week. And if you're not sure what your calling is in this lifetime, then definitely download my free guide, How to Find Your Purpose in 5 Simple Steps, link in the description. And if you want to learn how to monetize your purpose, then check out my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Let me know if this resonated and see you in the next video.